Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Kia Optima front bumper. First, gather your tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and a 10mm socket wrench. Park your vehicle on a level surface and ensure the engine is off. Safety first, so consider wearing gloves and eye protection. This preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for you. Next, open your hood and look for the fasteners securing the top of the bumper. You will typically find about 6 to 8 plastic clips and 2 or 3 screws. Use your trim removal tool to gently pry up the center pins of the plastic clips, then remove the entire clip. For the screws, a Phillips head screwdriver will do the trick. Keep all fasteners organized for reinstallation. Now, turn your front wheels inward to gain better access to the wheel wells. Here, you will find several more screws and clips securing the bumper to the fender liner. Remove these using your Phillips head screwdriver and trim tool. Then, slide underneath the front of the car to remove the remaining fasteners along the bottom edge of the bumper. There are usually about 5 to 7 screws or clips here. With all fasteners removed, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle. Start from one side, near the fender, and work your way around. You might hear a few popping sounds as the last clips release. Before completely detaching, remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for components like fog lights or parking sensors. Carefully set the bumper aside on a soft surface to prevent any scratches or damage.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.